Hi Kristy, I'm going to go over how to add to your blog. So first, so we know what we're talking about, we can go to the front page, and this is the blog that we're referring to. I know it might sound silly, but sometimes it's good to visualize. Okay, so my screen is very small right now in order for you to see better on the video, but obviously this will look a little bit different on your screen. So let's go to the back of the website. So we need to go to your domain and administrator. Okay, and once you're there, you'll see the menu items that I added for you, and we're going to go directly to blog. Okay, so I click on blog, and here you can see all of your previous blog items. They are in order. So if you want to edit one, you can just click on the name and edit, and then just make sure you hit save and close. For right now, we're going to focus on how to add a new blog. Okay, so I'm just going to click new. It's going to take me here. All right, title. Okay, title of my article. You can leave this blank. This is just the alias. It'll automatically be generated. The category, you want to always make sure it's in blog. Okay, there's a few different categories which are for the different areas such as services, where we have your services, or business coaching, or just the site articles, which are under Kristy Deegan. So we're going to always leave Kristy Deegan blog, and it's going to come up automatically. From there, we can write our tags. If I start writing, it's going to find different tags that you already have, or if you want to write your own, you can write it and then hit enter, and it's going to automatically create it. If you want to delete them or remove them, I just hit X. Okay. Featured we don't use on your site, so it's not necessary. You can just leave it as no. For publish, if you want it to be visible, you hit yes. If you don't want to be visible on the front end, we're going to hit no. So typically for you, we're going to put no because it's going to start publishing when you schedule it, okay, which is over here. So let's say I'm going to have this article go out on Monday, so then it'll go on your newsletter on Tuesday, right? So I'll leave this publish no, and then it's going to start publishing on March 2nd. Okay, so I'm going to go down here, content. You have all the tools here to write a nice article. I'm just going to paste some text in here. So this is just like WordPress, so you're familiar. You can hit bold if you want it to be bold. You can use headings if you like to. So I can go here and highlight subtitle, and then I can even make it like a heading 3. Okay, and I'll make it very large and a little fancy. So from there, I'm done with my article. I'm going to go over to image. So once I click on the image tab, I can choose the image file that I want to. Okay, I'm just going to take the picture from author for you. Okay, I'm going to save that. And then when I'm done, I'm just going to hit save and close. Okay. It's uploading the photo, so that's why it takes a second. Okay, so you can see here that it's not featured and that's not published. Okay, but it will be published on the date that you scheduled it. Okay, so on the front end, you can see since it's not published, there's still nothing visible. Let's say once it is published, okay, so I'm just going to click on the published. No, it's still not, because it's pending still. So let's do this. Alright. So I'm just going to put it for today, okay, since it's not going to show it up if not. So I'm going to make it published today so we can just view it. Hit F5. and there's the article. Okay, so if I decide that I want to remove it, so I can just hit unpublish, and it's there. Or excuse me, it's not there. So now it's unpublished. Okay, so keep in mind that for your blog, you're always going to just set it for no and then schedule it for the date that you want. March 2nd, save and close. And this is what it should look like when you're done. Okay, and then it'll automatically be published on Monday. Any questions? Let me know.